Hot dog, I made it again up here to the cabin. We're gonna get some, we're gonna be on, today is probably gonna be maybe one day, maybe an overnight. We're gonna be on mouse patrol. I've got some new traps I'm gonna show you guys, maybe put a review on. But man, the snow, wow, it's almost all gone. That's awesome. Possum. Anyways, gonna do that, gonna get that mouse stuff. I've got some spray foam and some mesh, some wire mesh. So I'm gonna do some mouse abatement inside now that I've tightened it up a little bit. See if I can tighten it up some more and maybe show you guys where I think the pack rat is living. It's a pretty interesting spot in the cabin, but that's where we're at. I'm gonna get at it and see. Had to make a couple crazy runs through some deep ass snow down the hill, but we made it, surprisingly. No chains too. I didn't bring chains this time. Another thing I got for the cabin is a RV water pump. It's a pump. So basically hook this hose up to it, run my water down there, warm or cold, whatever. And then this one's going to be bolted right in here, which it looks like it's going to fit perfect. It's going to put the hole in the counter. It's going to go through there, and then I'll be able to pump and do my dishes. Because it's all about doing dishes. Got to keep the dishes clean. And so I'm walking through here on my initial inspection, and I see some insulation here. I look up, and you can see this is where the mice are coming through. Right there. So I'm going to go ahead and see if I can foam, and not just foam, but I'm going to do foam, and I'm going to put this up in there because these twins on YouTube, they use this stuff. They poke it in there, and it helps keep the rats and mice and stuff. And I don't know, I think I'm going to leave that open for now because my next step is going to be haul a bunch of wood up here and fill in all this stuff, tongue and groove that ceiling. And we're getting close, man. It's really, it's something to see it come together. And I gotta foam, so just spray foam up in here to get it to where the mice can't come and go. And there's another guy that I put this board here, that board, I put that in because the mice were coming through that hole. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull that back off and put some spray foam with some more of that wire mesh in there. So I'm gonna get to work, and oh yeah, I'm gonna get to work. That's what I'm gonna do. One of the things I got recently is this newfangled mouse trap. I'm gonna see how this subject works. This is another 5-gallon bucket trap. So basic. Oh, it's broken, bastards. Oh man. So okay, this one came broken. That's not good. I might have to take it back home and fix it because it's missing the pin here. Basically, this goes like this actually. Goes in there like that, and it goes over a bucket, and the mice go in, and this thing falls. Well, that's a bummer. Guess I should have opened that up at home before I got here. This guy here is supposed to just clip onto the bucket. Let's rate this dog. Now I know Tim is gonna probably say something. So what I'm gonna do, get a chunk of that and put it here, just so that it's, I'll put it up top and here. So I'm just gonna put a little bit there. How's that? Just a little bit. These mice really love almond butter. I think they're like yuppies. You know, they dig the almond butter. Okay, that should be butter aplenty. Let's set that in the sink right there. Put this here. We've got one mouse trap. It doesn't sit on there very good. You can see it's kind of loosey-goosey. So what I'll do is I'll put some rocks on it or something. Anyway, so that's one trap, and we're gonna see how that guy works tonight. Okay, y'all. As far as I know, I think that right there, where the light's at, I think that's a pack rat nest. And it looks fairly recent because that shit's green. We might have to evict his ass. Get in there and fuck with this guy. My luck, he's gonna come running right at me. Where's that bastard at? Huh. I didn't see him. He might be out somewhere doing something. Dirty bastard. Okay, so now he's not in there right now, but that's definitely a nest. Okay, so basically, we are there. That's where we're at. We're up in there. So on the other side of this right here, you can see I foamed it. I got to come back and trim this foam once it sets. Trim it all off. You can see I got the mesh back there. I went ahead and I foamed here real good. Up underneath this, because they were getting in right there in that corner. They were slipping through there. So I wire meshed and foamed there. I went ahead and blocked that off. We'll see what happens tonight. But yeah, we got wire mesh up in there. And over here, it's still, you know, this is still got some pretty good gaps. Over here, all up through there, you can see that's gapped. But I don't see, usually the telltale sign is you'll see insulation on the floor where they're crawling through the insulation. Whoa. Damn rocks, I can't wait to put those on. All those guys are getting put over here at some point, if that point ever comes. And then there's a hole there. They might be able to get in there. Have to get the flashlight and look up in there and see. Ooh. Okay, well, the fireplace is still here. That's good. So I'm gonna wait till it's warmer to do that fireplace where I don't have to run it at night. Tonight I'm probably gonna have to run it. It'll probably get down into the 30s tonight. But I'm gonna walk down and take a look at the pond. Why don't y'all come with me? Looks like we had the moose coming through here recently. Some big old moose prints. Well, I probably should have brought my snowshoes because this looks like it's pretty deep and I don't want to be getting my shoes wet. Let me see if I can hike it a little bit. Ooh. It's April, I think April 20th, and I'm 21st or what? Oh my God. It's quite a bit of snow, so I think we're just gonna get a view of the pond. Some kind of tracks, some turkeys. Looks like the turkey's been running through here. Yep, the pond is still there. It's still got water in it. Alice's mud puddle. Oh yeah, looks like it's running good. Yep, it's down there still. Right on. Okay, so I was sitting thinking about it, and what I did was I went ahead and got a nail. Got a nail. Zip tied that song down in there. And bada boom, bada bing, we've got 2 mouse traps. Look at that. So let's hope these things work. I'm gonna load this one up, and tonight we'll see what's up. Stay tuned, y'all. We got mouse traps. Gonna get this place mouse proofed for the summer, because man, the mice get thick in here. Like I said, once, ooh, look, that foam is still expanding. It's kind of soft inside, so ooh, yuck. That stuff is yucky. So that was where they were coming in. I could see the insulation on the ground, so we got that set up. We got this. Operation Mouse Proof is underway. Well, it's official. The something worked or something didn't work. Basically, the new mouse traps, both of them were empty, but I did not hear any mice last night. I got up and looked a few times. Before, I would see them. I'd see bunches of them. So this time I didn't see any. So we're gonna leave these traps set. I might do my water traps, set those guys up, and see what we get. I didn't even hear them last night. Usually I'll hear them scratching around and whatnot. It was utter silence, except for the rain. Anyways, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna head out early this morning and get back. This was a real short trip. I got other projects going on the other channel that are holding my life up, so I need to get on those guys and get that going. Anyways, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side.